While looking at green screen videos on TV, I was thinking outside of the box, and I thought, we all have a lot of large screen TVs now, and why not just put a green screen on the TV? Eliminates all the light issues, buying all the stupid expensive lights and having to sit placed all around in front of you, the right distance and all that crap. So I decided to make a video on using just a normal TV. This is a 43 inch, sitting in front of it and using it as a green screen initially. And then later on I thought, well, if it works as a green screen, why can't I just put the image I want behind me on the TV? So most of the video is just using an image on the TV behind me and just recording it without using green screen practices. So look at this, see what you think. Okay, this is going to be a short test. It's a short test to see how this works. For example, if I want to announce a new video, I can sit here and tell you all about the new video, and then everything will be fine. So this is the end of the short test. Okay, this is a short test. I'm trying to determine how well this lighting works. Simple $25 light with a simple TV behind me set for a dark green cover. And we're just trying to determine just exactly how this looks and how close my face is. That's the end of the test. Just put the image on the TV that you want behind you. You don't have to do all the green screen crap. So let's see how this works. What do you think? I think it's probably going to be okay. Let's find out. This is with the light. Here we're going to do it without the light, without the halo light in front of me, just to see what happens when you try to brighten this later on. So we'll see how this test works out. This will be test number 3. Test number 4 has no light in the subject, and I've got the TV dimmed down to a low level of light. That way when we brighten it later it should come out normal. So here it is with the light. The TV set turned down low brightness, and you can see the difference, and maybe this will help you understand how you want to shoot your videos. Okay, this is test number 5. Test number 5 has the light 3 feet behind the camera to reduce the amount of exposure on the subject's face. So we'll see how this works. End of test number 5 or 6, whatever. Okay, this is test number 6. Test number 6 has the light 3 foot away. It's got the TV at normal brightness, and let's see how it turns out. End of test number 6. So this concludes this little test. What do you think? All the complexity of a green screen with lights, or just a simple TV and a bucket to sit on? Your choice.